My friends, the integral of cosecant squared x is not hard. It's pretty short, but there's a bit of a trick with the trig identity. First thing we're going to do is set it equal to 1 over sine squared x. And then here's the trick. See this 1 in the numerator? We're going to use the trig identity to set it equal to sine squared x plus cos squared x. That's the trick. And now if you kind of squint your eyes and look at this fraction closely, it looks suspiciously close to what we would get if we were to apply the quotient rule, where the derivative of two functions, f divided by g, is f prime g minus f g prime over g squared. And this looks suspiciously close if f is cos x and g is sine x. So I'm going to plug this in and we'll see what we get, how close it looks. So we'll take the derivative of f over g, which is cos x over sine x, and that equals to f prime, which is the derivative of cos x, which is negative sine, times g left alone, minus f left alone times the derivative of g, which is cos x divided by g squared. And these two look almost exactly the same, except there's a negative sign. So if we substitute out the negative sign, they're all the same but a negative sign. And because of this, we're going to substitute in this derivative into our integrand. So cosecant squared is equal to this fraction, sine squared plus cos squared over sine squared, with a negative sign. So cosecant squared is equal to negative of the derivative of cos x over sine x. I hope you can see that. Hope that makes sense. Now, we can use the fact that the integral of the derivative of a function is equal to the function itself. And by doing that, we literally have our integral, and that's it. Like, we're done. That's the integral of cosecant squared x. Negative cos over sine, and cos over sine is cotan, so we can write it that way, plus our integration constant, and we're done. Right on.